Welcome to my school class. I'm Esapekka Lappi, and today we speak about jumps. If we have a massive crest, we need to do some precaution stuff. If it's like a big crest in Finland or Monte Lerno in Sardinia, the Mickey's jump. The most important thing is that you cannot brake while you are in the air. When you stop the wheels on the air, the front will dive, and then the landing will be really hard, or you might roll over as well, but probably you will break the car. As it's a really big jump, you cannot go probably flat over the crest, otherwise it will jump too much and you will carry too much speed, and then in the end, in the air, the downforce will start to take you down and the front will dive. So the trick is that while you approach, you start to climb, then over here, roughly, you brake a bit, the nose will dive, and then just before the takeoff, you go on the throttle again. The rear will squat, front will lift a bit, and then you keep the throttle and you take off. And then the car stays on more or less flat position, and then the landing should be nice. If you keep full throttle, sometimes it might start to lift the front, but that's still okay. And then you just land. That's the normal way. If you touch the brake pedal in the air, it will start to dive with the front. Then we go on the landing. After the big jump, you just keep the throttle on. It doesn't need to be full, but you squeeze your body, because otherwise it will hurt probably, and you never know how the landing will be actually. If, for example, on the landing, the ground in the middle is a few centimeters higher than where the tires are landing, probably the bottom of the car is touching easily the ground and it hurts to the back. So you need to squeeze your body, but that's basically it. Normally on the landing, the car is like glued on the ground. You should be able to control it immediately, normally. The suspension nowadays is so good that everything is possible after the landing. Thanks for watching. Jump School by Esapekka Lappi. Don't try it at home.